everybody, it's the Puppy Lover 7 with, what's her name? Oh, Roxana, the dachshund today. I just came home from the mall, and we went to Claire's, and my mom got me some fashion glasses. If you don't know what they are, they're just glasses, like, not seeing glasses because I see fine. And I really like glasses, even though that I don't have eye problems or anything. So my mom said that there's fashion glasses and we can get them for me. Next time we go to the mall, we'll go to Claire's because they have them at Claire's. And yeah, they're glasses that don't really work, but they just make you look cool. So we went to the mall today, and we went to Claire's, and we got fashion glasses. So I'll go show you. Okay, here they are. They're so cool. I picked them out. There was all different kinds. There was like blue, ocean ones, green, lime ones, and pink. A lot of you guys know this pink is my favorite color. And this was the pinkest one that they had. And I thought this one was the cutest one. And it has cute little checkers on it. So I got these. I asked my mom if I could buy them because they were like, because I wanted to know if they were expensive or, yeah. Ooh, that looks so cool. Ooh, I missed. Ooh. That's a stunt. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh. I don't want to break those. So I'm going to tell you about them. They're so cool, and I got them. So I'm going to tell you about them. They're pink glasses, and I'm not wearing them right now because I'm afraid if I like wear them and then show them on my eyes, I'm afraid I'm like gonna like show my face by mistake or something. So yeah. Yeah, my nails are brownish, silverish. They're just pink glasses, and then they have a little bit of black right there. They do look like reading glasses. I recommend it. But they're not. They're fashion glasses. A lot of you guys know about fashion glasses, I know. So they're just pink glasses, and then they have black right there. They look just like my mom's glasses, only my mom's look like cheetahs. And they're pink and they're black a little bit, and then right there it has pink, and then they have like checkers, and then they have a little bit of pink, and I think that's so cool. I think that's wicked cool. And then this is how you open them. You just opening like sunglasses. Well, I'm gonna put on, and I'm gonna try. Okay, they're on me. And I'm gonna try to show them on my eyes without, yeah, showing my face. So. Okay, that's what they look like on me. So that's about it. So, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. You know to subscribe. A lot of you guys know to subscribe. You know how to subscribe? Go on my channel and watch my videos. That's called subscribe. So I'm just being silly, but bye. I said bye. So, bye. Bye. So, ooh. So, you know I'm wearing them, huh? So, and watching, and please subscribe, boy. Ooh, that's gotta hurt. Well, it didn't hurt that much. But